Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add labels to your note on the Google Keep application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select the document that you would like to work with, or you can also create a new one by tapping on the plus icon in the right side of the screen down below. Add your note if you have decided that you would like to create a new document, and then tap on this three dots icon in the middle of the screen. Then you should tap on the labels option, which is the fifth one. As you can see, first you need to enter the label name and press the button create label. So now you have created your label. So if you go back, as you can see, you have added your label. You can add as many as you want, thereby adding it to your note. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.